Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the end of December, or we can say that end of the year energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. All right, so let's see for my Cancers, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Last year energies, last end of the year energies, I would say. 2021 end of the year energies. Okay, and if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, so what's there for my Cancers? End of year energies 2021, end of year Cancer. What is there? Okay, present. I want to see some present energies now. Okay, future energies. Okay, so at the back of the card we have the Queen of Wands. All right, so let's get started with my reading for my Cancers. Okay, so your overall energy is telling with the Queen of Wands that somewhere you are feeling really strong from within. This could be you, this could be your person as well. Okay, you could be dealing with a Leo, but I feel that somewhere from within you are becoming very stronger and stronger. Like you could be doing something around you which involves action. Okay, like sometimes you are a bit dreamy, but somehow you really want to put those dreams into action, so you are doing something. You could be wanting to learn something new, like working on your talent and reading something new, or wanting to learn something new. As I said, this is something new. If you like a person around you, you could be going and started, you want to talk to that person. So because this is the year end energy, so somewhere you really want to show the universe like whatever you have not done the past whole year, and you just wanted to do something good by the end of the year. Okay, so this is your overall energy, Cancers. Very strong, really awesome energies. In the past we have 10 of Cups, 3 of Swords and the Dreamer energy. So this is the Fool. Yeah, as I already told you that you could be dreaming something in the past or right now, but now you have put those things into action. So somewhere you were a person who used to dream a lot. Could be a dream in regards with a relationship which has broken, or in the past it was broken and you want to mend that relationship, or you want to start a new relationship with somebody else. So somewhere you really feel that that I really am dreaming. Somewhere in the past you were dreaming more than putting things into action. You were more into your thoughts. Okay, in the present we have 8 of Wands, 7 of Cups and the Page of Pentacles. So as you know, with the 8 of Wands, things are going towards action. As I already told you, things are going towards changes. You want changes, you want to put your thoughts into action at present. You could be multitasking as well. So you could be doing your job as well as you are doing something else, like learning something new, some new things, because we have the Page of Pentacles. She has a book over here, see. So yeah, you are putting your mind into different directions. You're not into only one thing. In the future we have Ace of Cups, transformation and strength. Wow, this is just wow. So those things which were unexpected, okay, or which are unexpected for you. Like you could be wanting a new relationship with somebody, or you are trying to start a conversation with someone. It's not going to happen right now, but in the coming future, which is the probable outcome which is coming up because of your strong inner energies, somewhere you are putting those thoughts into actions which you are already putting, but these things will give you so much of strength inside you that you are not even thinking like where you are going, you are just doing that. You are not asking anyone. I'm sorry. You are not asking anyone, you are not waiting for somebody to say yes to you to do this or that thing. You're just thinking and you're just doing it. So you do not need anyone's approval into something which you want to build up for yourself. This is quite very beautiful energies for you, my dear Cancers. Okay, so let's clarify. Okay, let's see. I was just cleansing the aura. Okay. Okay, so Queen of Wands. We have Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and Two of Wands. Yeah, as I already told you that you have so many things in your mind. Somewhere you could be, so this could be for somebody who knows or who wants to do a lot of things but doesn't know where to start that particular thing. So it could be somebody who is feeling very much strengthy from within. Could be, you know, a person who is feeling a lot more you know, a little independent, a feeling of independence, a feeling of doing something on your own, but at the same time doesn't know where to start from. So this could be that person's energy. Why not starting something new, as in to explore what you are searching for? What do I mean is that what the universe is suggesting, that if you are in any such kind of confusion, like where should I go and go for the money first or go for the studies first? So this is definitely the study energy which is coming up. So take some time out. So this is like the end of the year is coming, is just going on, and just chill, okay? Because a new year is going to start, and again all the hustle and bustle will start. So just take some time, take a moment for yourself, okay? Go in the garden, have some wine, beer, whatever you like. If you do not, just go and grab a coconut water, okay? So just go in peace and sit in peace, like fruits around you. See how beautifully this lady is sitting over there. I wish I was her. Seriously, plants everywhere and peace everywhere. She's reading a book. So I feel that somewhere, you know, you have to be there, you know, like towards the end of the year, just dedicating yourself so much that you will be able to distinguish what is right for you and what is not. Okay, I'm sorry. The reason why I was not able to make the videos from past 8 to 10 days is because of this throat, which is, I don't know what is happening to it. It's somewhere becoming worse, and sometimes it becomes like fine. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, let me see what now. I want to see why the Three of Swords is here. Ten of Wands, Nine of Cups, and Five of Wands. I feel that you were at a certain place in your life. I feel that you were at some... I am so sorry. I am so sorry. Okay, so I was saying that what I feel is you were at that place somewhere in your life where when people get involved in with around you or around your energies become really tired, or you would say somewhere, a little messy. So you were at that place somewhere in the past where you were surrounded by, the more people you get surrounded to, the more your energies became negative and messy, as I already told you. But the more you found peace into yourself, the more peace you actually found outside yourself as well. The happiness, the feeling of being content, the feeling of being satisfied. You know that what is the meaning of satisfaction in life somewhere. You are dealing with that process, I feel. Wow. I feel that everyone has gone through from this negative energies, but you are transforming as well. Okay, so I want to see why the 7 of Cups is there in the present energies for my Cancers. Wow, we have King of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Ace of Swords, and we have got 2 Queen of Wands in your reading. You are really behaving like an air sign, Cancer. You are behaving like a person who is more into action, action oriented person. So you could be teaching. Okay, so for those people who are teaching, who are into teaching, or who want to get taught by somebody, so you might be learning something, or you could be teaching something to some people. So you are more into giving knowledge or receiving knowledge, and that is why I'm seeing books and books everywhere. So I don't know who this person is, but somebody over here really is gaining a lot of energy, gaining a lot of knowledge, and giving a lot of knowledge to other people as well. So a lot of clarity. You could be dealing with your third eye chakra healing, where you want clarification around you, and you are working for clarification only. So could be into a very different kind of an energy, like you might have not been into this thing, but all of a sudden you have entered into this thing, and you are feeling really happy and really satisfied. Or it could be an old thing as well, like someone likes to play some sport like basketball, cricket. Okay, so you could be doing that thing as well. So it could be anything, it could be anything. It doesn't mean that only learning means from the books. Learning means you can learn acting, you can learn swimming. So this is like new energies coming up. Okay, so let's focus on the future energies now. Tell me the Ace of Cups, which is coming up for my Cancer in the near future. So for some of you, I don't know for who this is, but somebody is buying a new home in the near future, and they are planning, their plannings are already going. So you are really authorizing yourself or people around you how to make your home, or how do you want your home to be. For some people, it feels like a new relationship. Okay, it could be a new beautiful relationship with somebody. This is a new love energy which is coming up. For those people who are dealing with some problems with your father, I think some things are coming up with your father and your energy, father son, father daughter energies, which are coming towards something like, good energies are coming up with this new celebration, and very beautiful, I feel. Okay, let's see what else do we have. Transformation. Why the transformation is here. Wow. Death. again, transformation. Okay, Four of Pentacles and Nine of Wands. I'm seeing somebody over here who is becoming a better version of himself or herself. Somewhere you were a person who used to not letting go of the things which happened in the past, but due to this transformation, due to this death energy, you are putting an end towards all those not moving energies, like for some people who have gone through a bad breakup, so were not able to move on from that breakup, but somewhere in the near future I'm seeing a new person. I'm seeing that you are going towards something new, going towards like, okay, things will not happen until and unless I will move on. I cannot just stay over there in the same place and would want things to become fruitful around me. No. So somebody is understanding this process, that moving on is the best thing you can do right now for yourself. So with the Nine of Wands, I feel that you are just fighting for yourself. I feel that somewhere you are tired of being in the same energy from the past so many months, I feel, and you are letting go of ending all these bad energies around you. Strength, let's see. I love strength energy. This is that inner strength energy, which is I can do this, I can and I will, that feeling of doing something. Strength. Queen of Swords, wow. Page of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. Such a beautiful card. Okay, with the Ten of Pentacles, I love this energy in you, Cancer. It feels like you do not need, sometimes we understand that we do not need a proper family to be happy. Sometimes the family is our friends. The family can be just 2 or 3 people living in your home. So that is something, that is what happiness is. It doesn't mean with dozens and so many friends around you. No, you are becoming very clear. I feel that with that Ace of Swords also in the middle of the reading, and with this Queen of Swords as well, your mind is becoming very clear around whatever is happening. You are getting clear thoughts. You were confused somewhere, but you are becoming more and more clear day by day. I'm really getting strong, good vibes for you, my dear Cancers. Okay. So that is all from my side, and I hope that helps. And we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.